Good, nice and relaxed. Yeah, that's it. That's it. What's up, Lincoln?
What's up?
Hey, I'm gonna help you with your ollies today. Okay.
Sick.
Cool. Let's get it. Next level, we're gonna go ollie, ollie, ollie. Now, the big thing for you and everybody else is figuring out how much time you need to get set up for the next ollie. Okay. So that means right now, start a little bit slower to give yourself extra time, and then as you get more comfortable and confident, you add a little bit more speed. Okay. Take your deep breath. Start kind of slow at first. Start slow. Give it a big pop. Good. Ah.
I can't get my feet set that fast.
So here's a trick to this. Right when you land, you need to land bent down. Stay bent down, and then quick get the feet set. So this time, I want you to start down here. You're gonna ride up and do kind of a kick turn where that shadow is,
Okay.
and then come at it. So go a little slower. Try it again. Good, that's it, that's it. Give it a big pop. Ah, almost. So again, just like the fence, give it some big power here into your pop, and leap forward, okay? A little more speed. That's good. Pump out of it. That's it. Bending down, give it a nice pop. Ah, so do you need more speed?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it. Give it a little more speed. This is totally normal. It's what everybody has to do. Figuring out how much power and speed you need. Good. Hey, almost. Look at that. Look at that. So, hey, it's doable, dude.
Yeah.
It is.
I got the first one, and then the bent down part really helped, but like
Yes. So
my
now,
front foot was off.
So now we're gonna work on doing our ollie and trying to move our feet as little as possible. And I know that can be a struggle.
Yeah.
This is a little bit more intermediate, but that's where you're at. So so go ahead, try it again. Good. Remember, try not to move the feet much. Good. Bending down, quick pop. Hey, almost. Look at that.
My feet were really, that one, my front foot was like off my board.
It's quick, but try your best to stay calm. And remember that what I told you, right when you land into your first ollie, stay bent down and quick adjust the feet. So the second you land and you're bent down, jiggle the feet into their ollie position again, okay? Bending down. Good, bending down. Hey, that's better. That's better. Good job. Good, nice and relaxed. Good, perfect. Perfect. Oh! Yeah. Hey. Fantastic. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it a couple more tries. Look at that. Confidence is up, right?
Yeah.
See? The first time you tried it, you're like, I don't know if I can even do this, right? So again, being set up, make sure that those feet get quickly set into your ollie position, and you try to move them as little as possible. Okay? So pop and lean into your ollie just like normal, but try not to slide so much. And the next pro tip for this is you want to control how much you ollie, because if you pop too hard and too high, you'll land further in on the ledge, which gives you less time to get set up.
Yeah.
So you want to make a very precise ollie to just get yourself up the next step, okay? Try again. Nice and relaxed. Good. That's it. That's it. Fantastic, Lincoln. Hey, proud of you, dude. Good job. Look at that, man.
I did not think I'd be able to do that.
Ah, see? That's why you're here, bro. Making it happen. Good. Almost, almost. Try it again. Throw a little more speed in there, okay? Take your deep breath. Hey, take your deep breath. Slow yourself down. I want you to feel your ollies. Feel yourself into your landing. So it's not just a land and rush to get your feet right super quick, right?
Yeah.
I want you to really feel how smooth you pop and land into a nice smooth rhythm of up and down, okay?
Got it.
Try it again. Good. Almost, almost. And that's perfect. Even if you clip your back truck, Keep the head forward, quickly spin that chest forward, step off with the back foot and run it out.
Yeah.
Perfect. Little more speed, a little more pump right here. That's it. Good, good, good. Getting better, dude, seriously.
I also realized I don't need my foot as far back as I had it.
Ah, see, so that's another good pro tip. Yes, because the wider your feet are, the better balance you're gonna have, right? So you can kind of finesse your ollie by keeping it almost directly behind the second bolts here versus having it way back in the center when you pop. Good, good. Ah, so you need more speed.
Yeah.
Try it again. Give it a little more speed this time. Good. Almost. Hey, getting sketchy.
Yeah.
All right. I don't want to kill you with this. Hey, I'm proud of you, dude. Okay, next. Next is the pyramid.
Okay.
Next is the pyramid. Actually, you know what's next? The stairs.
The whole stair set?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, let's go look at it. All right, Lincoln, come check it out. I want you to ride up to it. You're gonna ride up to it and then stop and evaluate.
Okay.
Okay? So ride up to it with the speed that you think would be required to ollie it. Start back by the cone so that you have time to get your speed and get your feet set up. Good. Now remember to stop yourself. That's it. So you just want to evaluate. You want to look at it and evaluate.
Yeah, I think I got it.
I think you got it too, okay? Now, for this, I want you to stay a little bit closer to the ledge, okay? Because as you can see right in the center, it's kind of rough, right? So stay a little bit closer to the ledge and exaggerate your bend down, okay? One more thing, you don't have to pop that hard. We're gonna rely a little bit more on speed for this, okay? Starting with a small ollie, and then we'll work our way up. Hey, first thing I want you to do, skate fast, jump off of your board, over the stairs, and run it out. Perfect, perfect. Good job, dude. Okay. How'd it feel?
Good.
Okay, good. Now, take a big deep breath. Start back there, and hey, before you go, I want you to imagine yourself going for it, okay? Give it the speed you need, okay? It's better to go a little bit faster than slow, and then a gentle pop and exaggerate bending down into that landing. All right, Lincoln, take your deep breath. Imagine yourself doing it, seriously. Close your eyes and imagine yourself doing it. And tuck into that landing. Get it. Woo! That one got gnarly.
Yeah.
Okay, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. So, you went super fast.
Yeah.
Slow it down a little bit.
Okay.
That's it. Just a little bit faster than that. Let's try it again. Take your deep breath. That's it. That's it. Hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Good job, dude. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did you smack your knee?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just processing it. I did not think I would get it.
Hey, try it again. Same thing. Nice and smooth and calm. Bend down into your landing. Good, nice and relaxed. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Hey, I'm so proud of you, dude. Fantastic. Seriously.
That one was good.
Okay, you wanna do one more?
Yeah, sure.
Let's get one more. Did you see him make it? He jumped over the stairs. Alright, hey, hang on. Remember, you do. Alright, dude, hey, remember, close your eyes, take a big deep breath. Imagine yourself doing it so you can work on that commitment. When you land, bend down into your landing. Ready? Get it. Almost. Almost.
You're right. It's easier to get off when you're bent down.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, because when you land straight-legged, not only can you hurt your back, but you just kind of get thrown right off your board immediately.
Yeah.
All that impact has to go somewhere.
Yeah.
So you've got to absorb it with your knees and legs. Okay, take your deep breath. Hey, seriously, don't rush.
I won't.
I know you can do it. I know you're excited. Big deep breath. Let me see, big deep breath. Nice and calm and smooth, okay? Go ahead. Almost, almost. Good, you're doing awesome. It's a really good experience for you. I said ollies and you looked at me like, oh, I can ollie. But this is like the next level, dude. Okay, big deep breath. Get it, nice and smooth. That's it. Ah, you need a little more speed, I think. A little more speed will help you. But hey, these bails are mega important to learn.
Yeah.
Okay. And I really like how you're landing and then leaning the head, or you're landing. I really like how you're landing, bending down into your landing, and then leaning forward and running off. Get it. That's it. That's it. Yup. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let's get some water, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Have you ever ollied a 4-stair before?
No.
What's the most you've ever done?
I don't know.
Never done it?
Yeah, never.
Dang, dude. So stoked for you, man. Seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously, dude. Such a good job today.
Thanks.
Dude, thanks for trying
see you
so
later,
hard.
John.
Yeah, man. I'll see you, my kid.
See ya.
Thanks, dude.